Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make foaming black soap. You need a couple ingredients to make this. First, of course, you know, the gloves. We need the gloves, and yeah. So I'm gonna put my gloves on, you guys, and get straight into this freaking video. So, two of the main things I use is African black soap and castor oil, because it is made with castor oil. So this is the African black soap that I will be using, and I also include distilled water. So it'll be half parts distilled water, it'll be half parts African black soap. Also, we will be using a preservative to make sure that this does not go bad, and castor oil. You can find the foaming bottles off of Amazon for the low. So these are what the bottles look like. These are what the bottles look like, guys. So we'll be using these bottles. They're 2 ounces large. So, and you need a stick blender. It's not put together right now, but you need a stick blender in order to mix everything together. So let's get into this video. So first things first, guys, we are going to pour however much we want to fill. So I'm going to fill it up to 350 or 400. Yeah, well, let's do 400 because I'm going to fill all these bottles up. Well, I'm going to do 350. I lied. Okay. So I'm going to fill this up to 350. As you guys can see, it's filled up to that right there. So we're done with this black soap for now. And then we're going to take our distilled water to dilute the foaming black soap. So you're going to pour exactly what you pour on the other thing. So I'm going to turn this to this side. And we're going to also pour 350 in here. Now that we have them both equal out, we're going to pour this in here. So simple, you guys. Pour that in there. And then I take about a capful of the preservative and then I put it in there. So just put that in there. And then next we're going to add our castor oil. I add about 3 tablespoons to it. And so that's about it that I'm going to add to it. And next I'm going to come back with my stick blender and show you guys how I use it. So put together my stick blender, guys, and we're just going to mix it up. Mix it up. And don't mix it up too much because, look at that. Don't mix it up too much because it'll actually make it bubbly and it won't fill your jars up enough. But that should be enough for that. And I'm going to come back with the bottles already done. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys. So next what we're going to do is we're just going to pour everything into the jar. I only have 5 bottles right now just because I'm going to make a separate TikTok video for this. So I'm just going to pour it all in here. And when you fill it up, be careful about how full you fill it up to. So I fill it up to right about there just because when you put that top in, it's going to push it up and you can overflow it. So be careful when you're pouring. So that's it, guys. We're going to put the tops on here. I feel like I poured a little bit too much in here, but this is what I mean. See, you'll have to pour a little back in there because it will overflow. So when you're filling it up, make sure you don't fill it up all the way to the top or you're gonna have a problem. So After I just told y'all not to do it, I did it. Okay guys, this is the last step. So I went ahead and cleaned the bottles off, and now I'm going to add my labels to them. So I'm gonna take my gloves off for these parts because it's gonna obviously stick, but literally I take my labels and I put each one on there right in the middle. Boom. And I'm just gonna label as many as I have, and then the rest of them we're just gonna print some more labels out. But this is essentially how I make it. It's something you can make in like 10 minutes, and you can literally add it to your website. So I hope this helped you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Bye.